Okay, guys, I'm going to do a Schumann update. I can't make this up, and I turned off my viewer to the camera for looking at me because I don't want to have any interruptions on this thing. Look at today, 11/11. Schumann resonance today, 11/11 gateway. They're literally saying this, disclosure news, Schumann resonance today. But this is where it gets even weirder, or better, if you will. Like, you got to be kidding me. So we can see all the activity going on down here, but that's not what I'm trying to focus on right now. Okay, power amplitude 11. What? What are you talking about? Amplitude 2, power 7. 7. 7. What? Frequency max 8.8. What? This cannot, I can't make this up. There's no way of making that up. Like nothing. And then, even better, scroll down, and they got a little article about it. They'll be happy to read it. I'll be happy to read it to you really quick. It's unbelievable. So here we are, 11/11. Okay, so we'll start with this one, and then we'll come up. At midnight UTC time, during the transition of 11/11, there was what we might call the opening of the 11/11 gateway. It has manifested itself in the values that are rarely seen, and since coincidences do not exist, the message is clear enough. The primary frequency has registered an increase up to the impressive value of 8.8 hertz, never seen in our memory. This has led to a framework of quality towards another value never seen before. Power 49, the amplitude at 0-100 hours UTC. Coincidentally, recorded power 11. These movements of frequency and quality lasted 2 hours until 2 UTC, after which calm returned. Now read this one. After the opening of 11/11 gateway, as previously reported, not much has happened. The primary frequency remained much of the time above the base value. The other frequencies remained at calm values as well as the remaining parameters. It seems like we have to focus only on the 11/11/11. Well, okay. I think we need to focus on, 11/11. Yeah, that's a great thing, but hello. This is very significant, folks. I'm honestly, I'm struck in my mind. I'm like, I don't even know how to, like, this is so significant. I don't know what it means, but try to clear out your chakras, if you will. Do some meditation. Start trying to bring forth fruition of good things. Think positive thoughts. Yeah, this is very amazing. I mean, I'm honestly totally lost for words. But let's go check out another disclosure, or not a disclosure, but another Schumann chart, or what they have to say about it. Okay, so here we are at the Italian model. Okay, and this one here, the Schumann resonance today, is disclosure news. Disclosure? That means learning something. And that's where this one's at. This one actually stays up to date. This is the Russian model, and I'm so very glad about that. Sintamani stone, stone of the stars. This is something people should take a look at and give a chance to read. Pleiadian collective? Pleiades one. What? What is that? Maybe this is something people should look at too. But anyways, back over to here, since we just got done learning about the 11/11 and 11s, and the the amplitudes was 7 to 7. I just happened to look at here, and 17. That's interesting. And then 7, 7, 7. Didn't I just go over that? Over here? With the 7s? Pretty sure it did. And this is still accurate. This is still going on right now, all day today. Boom, 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 boom. Can't make it up, folks. I can't make it up. 17. That's a certain significant letter. And then 3 7s. Oh my gosh, come on. Can there be any more synchronicities today whatsoever? Like, at all? Oh, look, 444. Oh my gosh, this is just insane. Right as I got done saying that, I happened to look down at my timer, and it was at 4 minutes and 44 seconds. The numbers, folks, when you start seeing all these numbers and you start actually looking at what the numbers mean and stuff, it can literally drive you insane if you're not careful. You're like, what does this mean? What am I supposed to do? What? You'll go nuts. I'm seeing so many numbers all over the place of doubles or triples or quadruples. Don't start looking. Don't start looking. Actually, do start looking, but don't start looking too much because it will drive you nuts. You'll start seeing them on license plates, addresses, signs. I mean, they'll be everywhere, and you'll be like, what in the crap? Well, it's, in a sense, the matrix of this crappy reality that we're in, and the good reality is starting to talk to us. Kind of like the movie Matrix. You start seeing the numbers, and you got to start looking. What does this? What does this mean? What does this mean? Trying to put it all together can be a headache, but it's real. I mean, what are the odds? What are the odds? Really, I don't know. Okay, folks, I'm not gonna lie. Just on a hunch, I came to SDO so that I could see right around 11 o'clock, or 11:11 at midnight. Watch down here. Watch this. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. I've got it playing slow, okay? So we can watch. Everybody can watch. Something comes right out of the sun. Watch this. Right over here. I've got it real slow so you can see it coming out. Oh, come on. It's a little too slow. Killing me, Smalls. Oh. There it is. See it? Punk. Look. It's moving. What was that? Oh, am I onto something? I don't know. But that's amazing. Let's go see if we can find something in another angstrom. If we can catch it on another one. That would be exciting. Okay. You can't make this up, folks. You can't. I don't even know what to do with it anymore. Here I am at SDO. 11:11 at 11:19 and 11. What is this? Look at this. I'm at 3 different angstroms. 335, 193, 94. Okay, they're overlaid. What is that? Can anybody tell me what that is? I don't know. I'd kind of like to know. What is this? Huh? Looks like a flippin' stick. What is that? What in the fragnog? It ain't no meteor or asteroid. They ain't shaped like that. What is that? Oh boy. I haven't been able to find anything else and any other photos as far as like around the timing of right at midnight. But I haven't looked at 11:11 though, or 11:19 at all. So I'm gonna go and check around 11:19 and some other photos and see if I can find that on other pictures. Woo! So here I came to 94, which is part of the other angstrom, and we can see we're at 11:11:11, 04, and then the next one is is actually 11:14. So that's 10 minutes. The one was 11:11, and then this one was at 19. So that's 5 minutes later. So from 5 minutes, it went from here completely off screen in 5 minutes. From transversing in front of the sun and having it like lighted up and like whether it was burning, whatever it was. 5 minutes. That's moving fast. I'm going to see if I can find it somewhere else. Here we are at 335 angstroms of light. We're at 11:11, 11:21. So that is 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, that thing managed to disappear from being in front of the sun. 2 minutes. It doesn't make any sense to me, folks. There's one before it. All 11s. We don't see it anywhere. I don't think we're going to either, but I'll keep looking. Be right back. Long story short, folks. Yeah, I couldn't find anything else for that, but I do want to make a point out though. See this thing here? It's how some people are saying that it's mercury, but it's going like positive, negative, positive, negative. Notice how you can see it real close here. So if it's mercury, if it's truly mercury, why do they have a blotch over it and graying it out right here? Why? See it? Whoop. Constantly there, following it, blotting it out. They don't want us to see that. Why? If it's mercury, who cares? But I do notice that this thing is here. See it? And it's going the wrong direction. It's going this way. This one's going this way. And oh, there's something over here too. Right here. Whoop. Coming this way. What's happening? Can anybody tell me? I don't know. I mean, I can clearly see our son giving birth to something right there. And then firing off the backside too. I don't know. Folks, there's a lot of things happening. Woo! It's an exciting time to be alive, that's for sure. Okay, here's another thing, folks. This is our planets today. This is our alignment here. We got Haumea, Mars, Mercury, Sol, Earth, and Uranus. But Venus is pretty close. I mean, it's definitely influential, for sure. But that's not really what I wanted to show you. Check this out. You can't make this stuff up. Events calendar, new. Leonid's meteor shower. Leonids generated by a comet Tempel-Tuttle can be quite a prolific shower with between 15 and hundreds of meteors per hour, but averaging around 40. The average peaks every 33 years, with the last peak in 2001, usually most active on November 17 and 18. Look for the shower radiating from the constellation Leo after midnight. Starts Friday, November 12th. Tomorrow. So today is the day before we get to start seeing this. Like, there's so many things that are lining up. It's getting to be kind of eerie. Woo! Hold tight. I'm sure I'll find more. Just for giggles, I came over here to USGS just to see 33 earthquakes today. Really? Come on. You know there's more than that, but what are the odds that they only tell us that there's 33 of 2.5 plus? Oh my gosh. Well, folks, it looks like they turned this back on. They turned on AceMag and SweepAM. So we've got all this missing data. Why? Turned it back on. Isn't that nice of them? That's so nice. Thank you for turning it off when we should have been watching and wasting our taxpayer money. Appreciate you. Keep a watch on this, folks.
This is LaPalma, one of the Canary Islands, a paradise for sun-loving tourists. For us, the island holds quite another fascination, the Cumbre Vieja volcano. The brittle western slope of the volcano is covered in clefts and fissures where water has collected. Now,
this is a video game.
by placing several bombs in carefully calculated,
this game has been around for quite some time.
use thermonuclear explosions to heat that water.
LaPalma was planned.
Evaporate instantaneously. If you had paid attention in your physics classes, you would know that such a sudden evaporation of water would create sufficient pressure to shatter the volcano's brittle slope and send it crashing into the sea. Can you guess what comes next? That's right, a tsunami. Waves 200 meters high will charge across the Atlantic with the speed of an airplane. The tsunami will sweep across the east coast of the United States. New York will disappear in an apocalyptic flood, taking with it the self-proclaimed rulers of the world who are currently squabbling in blind incompetence at the UN headquarters. The resulting vacuum of power will be filled by our followers, some of whom have been biding their time in key positions for decades. They will take control and lead humankind to a new golden age.
Oh yeah, this is a Simpson episode. Those of you who are familiar, watch this. Simpsons predicted Donald Trump becoming the president. Look at this here. Look at the way the Canary Island is. See that? Yep. It's also in the Illuminati card deck. Be prepared, folks. Be ready to bug out. I have a feeling it's going to get worse before it gets better. Stay safe. Love y'all.